I will now show you how to install the belt guider onto the Peroni booster. First, I will need to turn the booster, detach the backrest from the bar, then install the belt guider strap under the bar, hook it properly in position, make sure there are no twists onto the strap, put back the backrest, the belt guider is facing the car seat and the booster is well positioned. I will now demonstrate how to install the car seat belt onto the belt guider. Now the main purpose of the belt guider is to prevent any injuries to the child during a car crash. Now to do so, make sure that your belt guider is at the height of the shoulder. I will install the strap. Then the car seat belt goes under the Peroni booster's armrests on each side. Buckle up, no twist onto the strap, and it is tightly in position. There it is.